Hi students, today I have brings new 15 questions from biology, chapter number 5, fundamentals unit of life. So single liner questions. Question number 1, name the cells organelles that help in protein synthesis. Yes, protein synthesis. Clear? Which cells organelles help in protein synthesis? Your ribosome. Yes, ribosome. You know ribosome is very important for protein synthesis. Ribosome is mainly prepared inside the nucleolus. You know there is a dense circular substance that present near the nucleus of a cell, that is your nucleolus. Inside the nucleolus what happens? Ribosomes are produced. So nucleolus is also known as ribosome factory. This is extra nucleolus, you know, nucleolus. Okay, suppose this is your cell, this central nucleus, just here another round circular structure also there, that is nucleolus, and that nucleolus produce ribosome. So nucleolus is also known as factory of ribosome. Okay, question number 2, name the two cells organelles that contains their own genetic materials. You know genetics materials means DNA. You know DNA is a genetic materials. So here question, what question? Name the two cells organelles that contain their own genetic material, that is your mitochondria and chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, you know, that is comes under your plastids. Okay, plastids is a cells organelles. Under the plastid, chloroplast is your plastid. Okay, and mitochondria and chloroplast are the two cells organelles. They are semi-autonomous in nature. Why? They have their own DNA and ribosome. What? DNA and ribosome. Okay, mitochondria and chloroplast or plastid, they can synthesize a new one of its own kind. So they are called semi-autonomous cells organelles. Clear? That are two one important. Question number 3. Which cells organelles is formation? What? Which organelles is for membrane biogenesis? Yes. Which cells organelle is associated for the membrane biogenesis, or membrane biogenesis is carried out by which cells organelles? Clear? Question number 3. What? Which cells organelles help for membrane biogenesis? Your endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Endoplasmic reticulum, it has two parts, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER, and another is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Rough endoplasmic reticulum contain what? Ribosome. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum contain lipids or fat. Clear? Fats. So rough endoplasmic reticulum can synthesize protein because it has ribosome on its surface. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, fats only there, so it can synthesize fats. Okay, so mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, you know. Then question number 4, ATP is produced in which part of our body? ATP is produced in which part of our body? First, ATP, you know, our energy currency. Okay, energy currency of cell. Clear? Energy, ATP is called energy currency of cell. So here question, ATP is produced in which part of our body? Yes, ATP is produced in which part of our body? You know, mitochondria, inner membrane of mitochondria, very important. Mitochondria, you know, mitochondria is a double membrane, double layer organelles. Okay, in such a way, structure of mitochondria. Okay, outer layer, inner layer. Inside the inner layer, what happens? There is a folding. Folding, you see, this is a folding. This folding is called crista. What is this? Crista. Cristae. Okay, and the cristae contain ATP. They produce ATP. Okay, cristae, on the cristae region ATP are produced. Clear? The inner membrane of mitochondria help for formation of ATP in mitochondria. Okay. Question number 5 related to again mitochondria. Mitochondria is found in which part of sperm? Okay, sperm, you know, sperm that is coming from male. Okay, an egg, you know, egg that is female. In reproduction, you know very well, egg and sperm, you know very well, egg, ovum, you know, from reproduction also. Okay, So here mitochondria is found in which part of sperm? You know sperm has sperm. See, this is just like structure. This is head. Okay, again this tail like this. This like structures I sperm over here. Okay, acrosome is here. Acrosome. What is acrosome on head region? Okay, here is a elongated nucleus. Elongated nucleus is here. This is your neck region. This is the middle region. Here mitochondria are here. What? Mitochondria. Okay, here mitochondria is here. Middle person mitochondria. Head region. Here acrosome, nucleus. Okay, and middle person that contains mitochondria and tail help in movement. Clear? This is the over diagram of your sperm, human sperm. Clear? So question, mitochondria is found in which part of sperm? Middle piece. This is your middle piece. That middle piece. Clear? Okay. Coming to question number 6. Shrinkage of protoplasm is called. Shrinkage of protoplasm is called plasmolysis. Yes, plasmolysis. You know, when the concentration of cell is more. Suppose the concentration of cell is more as compared to its outer surrounding. So what happen? What will move from cell to outside? As a result, the shape and size of cells become decrease. That is your plasmolysis. So simple. The shrinkage of protoplasm is called plasmolysis. It is caused due to hypertonic solution. Clear? Important question. Question number 7. An undefined nuclear regions of the prokaryotic cells is called. See again. An undefined nuclear regions of the prokaryotic cell is called nucleared. 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 Okay. Nucleared. Nucleared. Clear? So nucleus, you know, nucleus means well developed organism. Okay, but here undefined nuclear region, nucleated. Okay, this is very important. Nucleated. Next, question number 8. What is the locomotory organ of bacteria? Bacteria is flagella. Flagella, you know, flagella is the locomotory organ of bacteria. See here, this is your bacteria, suppose. Okay, here is genetic materials. Here another flagella is here. Flagella is coming out here. With the help of this flagella, bacteria can move from one place to another place. Is that right? Okay. Question number 9. What is the outermost covering of virus? Virus, you know, virus is a source microbes that connect between living and non-living. So outer covering is called capsid. And capsid is made up of small. Capsid is the subunit of capsid is capsomer. Capsomers. Okay, the capsomers are the unit of capsid. Okay, so outermost covering of virus is called capsid. The capsid is made up of small capsomers. Clear? This is high level question, 10th level given. Question number 10. The process of cell drinking is called, very important, cell drinking is called pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Okay, cell drinking. Water is taken into the cells by your special cell drinking process. Pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Clear? Question number 11. The outermost covering of nucleus. The outermost covering of nucleus is nuclear membrane. You know very well, nucleus is a double layer membrane cells organelles, and that is your nuclear membrane. On the nuclear membrane, what happens? There are small pore also there. That is your nuclear pore. Okay, nuclear pore. Okay, with the help of this pore, some material can exchange. Clear? Then question number 12. The functional segment of DNA. The functional segment of DNA is called gene. The functional segment of DNA is called gene. This is important question. Question number 13. Solon of cell take place due to which solution? Solon means the cell size become enlarged in size. The cell size of any cells become enlarged due to entry of water molecules. That is Solon condition. Is happening in hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution. Clear? This is a hypotonic solution. And you know osmosis, you know the movement of water molecules from their higher concentration to lower concentration, that is your osmosis. There are two type of osmosis, endoosmosis and exoosmosis. Endoosmosis means entry of water into the cell is known as endoosmosis. Due to endoosmosis, The cell size of cell goes increase, swollen take place on cells, but in angiosmosis, water removed from the cells. As a result, cell size of cell become decrease. Clear? That is your endosmosis, angiosmosis. Clear? So here question, hypotonic solution. Swollen of cell means here endosmosis also happening here. Clear? Endosmosis also. So water is entered to the cell. As a result, cell size become increased. Clear? That is hypotonic solution. Question number 14. The process of formation of blood is called, very important, formation of blood, hematopoiesis or hemopoiesis. This is medical term you have to learn. The formation of blood is called hematopoiesis or hemopoiesis. Clear? Blood, you know, blood is a fluid connective tissue. That blood consists of plasma and blood cells. Plasma, you know, the liquid part of blood is called plasma, and that plasma also contain water and protein. Clear? In blood cells, you know, RBC, WBC, platelets. These are the blood cells. Clear? Question number 15. All the enzymatic reactions carried out by which cells of stomach? Oh, very big, very high level question. All the enzymatic reactions carried out by which cells of stomach? This is peptic cells or chief cells. You know, our stomach is lined by four layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. They are the four layers in our stomach. Out of mucosa layer, what happen? On the mucosa layer, there is a pits are there. That is called gastric pits. What is this? Gastric pits. Gastric pits. Clear? In the innermost layer of stomach is called mucous layer. In the mucous layer, what happen? There is a pits. Pits are there. Suppose this is layer. This is your pits are here. See here. Now I am explaining. Wait only. Suppose this is your stomach. Okay. See here. This is your. Suppose this is your stomach. This is your stomach. In the inner lining, here what happened? This is your stomach area. I am drawing here. See this inner layer, this pits, this is a gastric pit. This is called gastric pit. This area is called gastric pits. Clear? In the gastric pit, what happened? Here again, such gland are here. Such gland are here in the gastric pits. Clear? In the innermost layer of stomach, this is your mucosa layer. Mucosa layer, there is a pits are here. Hole are here. That is a gastric pits. In the gastric pit, what happened? Gland is here. That is called gastric gland. Okay, gastric gland. Gastric gland present here. Here what happened? Gastric gland. This is your here in the gastric gland. What happened? Here special type of cells present here. There is a mucous cells. Mucous cells or neck mucous cells. Why? Because that cells present in the neck region of this gastric gland, so it is also known as neck mucous cells. Again, another cells are here. There is oxyntic cells or parietal cells, and that parietal cell, oxyntic cells, help for secretion of hydrochloric acid. Okay, another type of cells also there in this gastric gland, that is your peptic cells or chief cells, that help for your enzymatic reactions. Coming to our questions. Here what given? All the enzymatic reactions carried out by which cells of stomach? Direct your peptic cells or chief cells. Is that right? Good. This is very important question. Okay. So I hope this is very important questions. Everyone you have to learn, and even if difficulties anything, then you can WhatsApp me. I have given my WhatsApp number in WhatsApp link. You can check. Thanks, dear friends.